Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I'm Alicia. Today we are going to do a very interesting DIY on how to make a tassel, and also it's going to be a fall decor. Let's decorate the tassel wall decor into a fall wall decor. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Alicia. Thank you so much for coming back to DIY Alicia. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom. As always, if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. Also, if you have subscribed and if you haven't hit the bell icon at the side, please do so that you get notified on each and every update from me, as I post new videos every Friday. Please do not forget that. To do this DIY, the one and important thing that you need would be this wool yarn, and then you will need a wooden stick, something to hang all the tassels. So let's dive into the process.
Do this for around 40 times. Ta-da! Here goes a very easy, beautiful looking white wool yarn tassel. So I have made more 6 similar yarns tassels. Now it's time for you to decide how do you want the yarns to display on the decor. I'm just putting it in a V shape. You can just place it any according to your wish. Here we go, the arrangement is all set. Now let's go ahead and cut off the ends.
guys got a hang of how to make a tassel and how to convert all the tassels into a wall decor with the help of a wooden stick. Now that it's all autumn everywhere, it's going to be the fall season going forward. So then I thought I just wanted to convert this elegant looking beautiful white wall decor into a wall fall decor. So how do we do that? We just need to add in some fall leaves to get that autumn vibe, right? So let me just quickly show you guys how do the final product of our white tassel wall decor looks like, and here you go. Look how cute they look, right? Look at this. Yeah, they look very pretty. So let's just quickly convert them into an autumn look. Okay, so for that, what do we do? I just happened to notice some very interesting and very cheap fall decors. So I just picked few, and at that point of time, I kind of had an idea what exactly to do. But then after kind of prepping my mind that I should do a white tassel, which I keep doing all the time, and I had it like many of them. So since this time I chose white, and the other reason why I chose white is also because I wanted to decorate them with the fall leaves, starting from yellow to orange to complete red, which the maple leaves turn out. And I'll very soon do a vlog on show you guys how does Canada look in autumn. But then see, these are few fall leaves. So maple leaves that I just got as a fall decor from Dollarama. And since fall is all about pumpkins, I did find something very cute and pretty. So these are like two different stems which is holding some thermocol balls and foam pumpkin and two maple leaves. So it just looked cute at that point of time. I am gonna give these guys a new looking feel with this tassel wall decor. Let's quickly dive in and see how do we do that kind of thing, okay? Guys all enjoyed this video, and let me know how interesting this video was so that you guys are gonna do this or not. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and also please do give me a big thumbs up so that I get to know that you guys did enjoy this video. And also, as usual, please don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for staying here, and let's stay connected. See you next time. Bye for now.